Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix that no sound plays after headphones connected with a phone. So actually this is like a very common issue on your ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova earbuds, and what I do recommend doing at first is to check whether the player is updated to the latest version and check if the player works itself. If it works, we have to go to the next, but if it doesn't, restart the audio player and try again. If the audio player works, we have to check whether the earphones are up to date. To know how to check the trigger because we have a video for that. Apart from that, you can go to the settings, then Bluetooth, tap next to the headphones name on the gear icon, the info icon, forget them, and pair them again with your device. Apart from that, you can try restarting your phone and tablet, or restart the earbuds to their factory settings and reconnect them again. If the issue still persists, you have to contact the device support for further assistance. But let me show you how to factory reset them. You have to search for this, as you can see, and this logo, and tap 4 times on the, as you can see, touch panel, and now it blinks red, and it means that it will be factory resetted. So actually that's it for this video. Have a nice day, and I hope now that your headphones are fixed. Goodbye.